Pantheism is a philosophical and spiritual belief system that identifies God with the universe and everything within it. Pantheism is a belief system that equates God with the universe, asserting that everything collectively forms a divine whole. The fundamental principles of pantheism include the idea that the divine is present in all aspects of nature and existence, emphasizing a deep interconnectedness among all living things. The historical development of pantheism can be traced back to ancient philosophies, but it gained significant traction during the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods. Key figures like Baruch Spinoza, a 17th-century philosopher, articulated a systematic pantheistic view, arguing that God and nature are one and the same. His work laid the groundwork for later thinkers, including Albert Einstein, who famously expressed pantheistic sentiments, viewing the universe as a manifestation of a higher intelligence. Pantheism carries profound philosophical implications, particularly regarding ethics and existence. By viewing the universe as a manifestation of the divine, pantheism fosters a moral framework that emphasizes interconnectedness and responsibility toward all living beings. This perspective encourages individuals to recognize their role in the larger web of existence, promoting values such as compassion, stewardship, and respect for nature. Modern science intersects intriguingly with pantheistic beliefs, particularly through theories like quantum physics, which suggest that the universe is interconnected at a fundamental level. Concepts such as entanglement and the observer effect resonate with pantheistic ideas, implying that consciousness and the universe are deeply intertwined. This relationship raises questions about the nature of reality and the role of human perception in shaping it. Pantheism faces several critiques, particularly from traditional religious perspectives that emphasize a personal, transcendent God. Critics argue that pantheism diminishes the uniqueness of the divine by equating God with the universe, potentially leading to a form of idolatry where nature is worshipped instead of a distinct deity. Pantheism holds significant relevance in contemporary society, particularly as environmental movements gain momentum. Its core belief that the divine is present in all aspects of nature resonates with those advocating for ecological sustainability and conservation, promoting a sense of responsibility toward the planet. In the context of New Age spirituality, pantheism appeals to individuals seeking holistic and inclusive spiritual practices that emphasize interconnectedness and personal experience of the divine. In this exploration of pantheism, we've delved into its core beliefs, historical context, and philosophical implications, highlighting how it perceives the divine as synonymous with the universe. We discussed its relevance in contemporary society, particularly in environmental movements and New Age spirituality, emphasizing the importance of interconnectedness in a fragmented world.